Hey, thanks for hanging out. Today I'm going to show you how to modify this door striker so our door will latch. Let's get after it. When we installed the door, I took the old door and used it as a template for the hinge location and the latch location. At the start, the door latched perfectly, but as the weather warmed up and things shifted, the latch no longer engaged in the striker properly, and so we need to fix it. There are several ways you could fix it, and if this was misaligned more, then we'd look at adjusting the hinge position or the striker location. This job is just going to require a small modification to the striker itself by enlarging the hole. To start, remove the striker and make sure there is enough clearance in the door jamb for the latch to seat properly once you enlarge the hole. I've used a chisel and hammer to create the clearance I need. Secure the striker in a vise if you have one, or clamp it to a work surface. I'm using 2 pieces of scrap wood in the vise jaws so I don't scratch the surface. I've highlighted here the wear that shows how little we need to adjust this by to get it to work. I used a flat file to remove the bulk of the material and a series of round files to shape and smooth the hole to make it look original. You might be left with a burr from the filing, so smooth that off with a file or sandpaper before reinstalling the striker. Once you're happy that you've taken enough material and you're happy with the shape and finish of the hole, it's time to reinstall it. Reattach the striker and check that the door shuts as you had hoped. This now works perfectly. A quick, simple modification that cost nothing and took very little time. I hope this was helpful to you and you enjoyed the video. If so, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have any suggestions, comments or questions, feel free to leave those below. Thanks for hanging out and get after it.